Hey there, grill enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of grill maintenance with a close look at the best replacement. Drip pan for Dyna-Glo and other 4x5 burner gas grill models. I'm your host from Product Critique, and today, we're talking about the Dyna-Glo Drip Pan Replacement. This galvanized steel drip tray is designed for durability and ease of use. Whether you're grilling up a storm or just enjoying a casual barbecue, keeping your grill in top shape is crucial. Now, what makes this drip pan stand out? It's crafted from quality galvanized steel, which means it's not only rust-resistant but also built to withstand the heat of your grill. The adjustable width, from 24 to 30 inches, ensures it fits a wide range of 4x5 burner models like Dyna-Glo, CaptainGrill, and Kenmore. Assembly is a breeze, taking just around 5 minutes. It arrives in 3 pieces that you simply put together using the provided hardware. No need for a repair service or buying a whole new grill when you can easily replace the drip pan yourself. The design features angled sides and a sloped center channel, ensuring grease flows smoothly towards the drain hole. This not only helps in easier cleanup but also maintains the efficiency of your grill. For those concerned about value for money, at under $30, this replacement part is a budget-friendly alternative to costly repairs or replacements. Plus, it's covered by a US patent for its innovative design. Experts and users alike rave about its ease of installation and cleaning. It's designed with the user in mind, making it a popular choice among grill enthusiasts looking to extend the life of their favorite cooking appliance. So, if you're looking to keep your Dyna-Glo or similar grill in top condition without breaking the bank, this drip pan from CaptainGrill is definitely worth considering. Check out the link in the description to get yours today and ensure your grill stays in top shape for many more cookouts to come. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and tips from Product Critique. Happy grilling!